Now, is that with the lean angle of the bike? Do you think it's about...
Yeah, a little. Yeah, good.
We're officially on our way. It's a lot later than I expected, but we're off. So we're on our way to Utsunomiya, which has been in the news recently for bear sightings and an aggressive young bear. That bear was trapped in a warehouse by the authorities, but it opened a window by using the latch itself, and it escaped. Great time. Hi, 10分ぐらい、4時半ですね。Oh, I see. We've arrived. Oh, this is... I do not want to kick the bike over here. Oh, you bastard. Right, first bag. I'll be right back. Right, I've got a ratchet here. Take off. And off they come. Back in a minute. Should I take the Insta with me? Yeah, I'll take it. There are a great many large black ants crawling all over my shit. Anyway, here's number 6 and my shit. Let's get this tent up, shall we? Perfect.
I've been looking forward to this erection. Let's see if I can keep it up.
Been planning that line for ages, chat. Right. It turns out that I understood less of what he said than I thought. So I'm in the wrong place. I'm in the barbecue area as opposed to the camping area. So I'm going to have to move over there now. Anyway, it looks much better over there, much more shaded. So it's not a bad thing. I'm glad he saw me in time being an idiot and pitching in the barbecue area. So we're right under a tree here, much better. Let's set up here. Okay, I'm gonna go and get Fanny, park where I should have parked in the first place, and then pitch a tent.
Oldmanler said, "Take me to a pub." Yorweth said, "Have we seen any bear chants yet?"
No, no bears yet. But keep an eye out, please. So I'm gonna get my first peg in.
You hear that, chat? He's going to get his first pegging.
Can you hear that, chat? That's the 5 o'clock alarm, I think. Isn't that charming? I think I'm going to try and stick a pole at that.
You erecting the tent, M8.
I am erecting a tent. Hang on a minute. We've got to do something here. I'm going to get my chair out and we're going to have a sit down. Everything is fucking crawling with ants, including my nipple, I think. My nipple. Yep. You heard. Glitching.
Oldmanler said, "If there's ants, close the tent."
Oh, it's too late for that. They're all over the ground sheets. I've just got to keep them out of the inner bits. And then I should be alright. Look at this. I'm all red and bitten. Well, I have something resembling a tent behind me. I'll bring the YouTube lot over as well so they can join us. They're on the Insta360. You're on the phone. This is what we've got so far. Doesn't look very sleepable in. Look at this too. It's burnt that, eh? My jacket just comes up to there. The rest is fucked. So it's going pretty well so far. I'm glad I'm here though. I'm not stuck in Tokyo. It's nice to be in the countryside. You are watching out for bears, aren't you? You would tell me if you saw one, wouldn't you? Oh my god, there's a fucking giant hornet. No joke, the giant hornets are the most dangerous animal in Japan. more dangerous than bears. They kill more people. Do you know why? It's because if you get stung by one, they leave a pheromone on you, which attracts the rest of them, and then they all come and sting you.
Horror stream.
They're fucking huge as well. That one was massive that just flew past. That makes me very uneasy. Wouldn't know it though, seeing me sitting here like this, would you? We've got Aussies in chat, so I can't complain too much, I suppose. There's a fucking ant right on my finger right now. Look. The whole tent pitch. I wasn't recording it on Insta. I'm not doing it again. Anyway, it's not really done yet. It's 5:20. I want to get a cup of tea on the go and that. There's lots to do. I think I'll get me inner part in so that I can shake off my shit and put it in away from the ants. Why don't you come and have a look inside and see for yourself? Not too bad. This is my first attempt. I've pitched a tent every day of my life since I was about, I don't know, 13 or so, maybe earlier than that actually. But I've never pitched this tent before.
Hey, we're all here. You're not on your own.
Yeah, that's true, yeah. You're not fucking helping though, are you?
What's the weather forecast?
The weather forecast is okay for today and I think tomorrow, and then it might rain and have thunderstorms and stuff, which will be fun, won't it? That'll be fun. Now, if you come here, you might be impressed with this. Fucking check that out, mate. I have a sleeping compartment, which is sealed from bugs, hopefully. Anyway, I think I will attach a few guy ropes, chuck my shit in the bedroom, and then whip over to the shops and get some shit to put in my noodles. And then we'll come back, have a cup of tea and some dinner, and a couple of beers. Let's go and put you on charge. Oh, fuck. Tripped over a guy rope already. I'm doing pretty well. Don't see any snakes, don't see any bears. Pop you on here, get you on there good and tight. Okay, you're on charge. There's a supermarket. 3 minutes.
Head
away.
north.
So we're off to get some supplies.
You have arrived.
Oh, were you looking at me that whole time? What's on the shopping list? Beer and that. 4 beers. A bit of meat, which will attract bears, so I've got to eat that good and quick. And what else do I get? Bottled water. That's it.
In 200 meters, turn left.
We're back. Let's get our fucking priorities right, shall we? Oh yeah. The best tasting beer I've ever had. It won't be for long though, because it'll be fucking swimming in ants. Or ants will be swimming in it. So far, an overall success. Whoa! Holy shit! This fucking mosquito's just biting me. Willy-nilly. Have a look at this. You see that? Anyway, I think dinner's ready. You see that? So it's some noodles with meat in. That's what we got. And I'm going to enjoy it. Itadakimasu. Wow, it's got dark really quick as well. This moto camper doesn't know where he's going. I think he's looking for the parking. It's right there, mate. It's at the end of the road. I found it straight away. Very good. Holy shit, chat. It's a fucking rhino beetle. Have a look at this. It's a fucking massive rhino beetle. Big horn. See that? Look at the size of that horn.
Kiki Meow Me said, Shugoi, can he become your bug friend?
I think he is my bug friend already. As long as he doesn't fly at me like a madman, I'll be alright with him. I think I've got mosquitoes in my noodles. Should I still eat them? I'm not joking either. Just pick them out, yeah?
Nauseated face.
Ah, what the... I heard a large bug. Oh yeah, really good. Holy shit, there's another one. I reckon he's called his mate. They're about to start making sweet love. Rhino beetle love. That was very good, that. Anyway, let's drink beer and be merry, shall we? Quite a large caterpillar just dropped out of the tree onto my tent. Oh my god. Oh fuck. That's not good news. Oh shit. Look. See that? I don't want to fuck with that. I don't want to fuck with that thing. Fucking hell, I'm glad you didn't go in my bags. Look there. But I'm enjoying myself.
Nice wood fire to smoke them away.
I can fucking smoke them away, don't you worry about that. I'll smoke them away, alright?
Minimum electric lights.
Like that, you mean? It's a really bright one. It's really good. But it is attracting attention, yeah. It's attracting quite a lot of attention, actually. Oh, there's that fucking centipede again. Oh, it scuttles like a fucking freaky little bastard. It is fucking off, though, thankfully. There might be a different one, though. There might be fucking tons of them. Oh, I'm sure there are. No, I'm having a really good time. I am. There's tons of them. I'm not making it up. Fucking arm, he's a bastard. Maybe I should get into the tent soon. I can smoke in the... It's a smoking tent. I've decided that. It is a smoking tent. And I can smoke the fuckers out. Hopefully they're not in my bedroom part of the tent, because that is sealed. I did leave the zip open for a little while by mistake. But hopefully none got in. Those centipedes concern me slightly. Don't really feel worried by bears now. I think there's too much activity around here. But bears have been in cities recently in Japan. They've got desperate. They don't have enough food. So you can't count it out.
I'll show you how to make it chill and relaxing.
It is chill and relaxing. What are you on about?
I told you about the bugs.
I knew about the bugs. They're not fazing me, really. It's just the mosquitoes that are really pissing me off. But no, I'm not really fazed by the bugs. They're fine. Actually, the rhino beetles are fucking majestic.
Does Japan have mosquito-borne encephalitis?
I don't fucking know.
Encephalitis causing mosquitoes, such as Culex species, carry viruses like Japanese encephalitis. This might be it for our noob.
Borgsan said,
Drink more.
Drink more. Yeah, good idea, Box. Cheers. Is that my last bit?
unspectacular_Dracula said,
Great success.
No, I've got one more. Great success. Fuck off my finger, you little fucking mozzie bastard. I have to double down my efforts to smoke them away. Another one. Don't you go fucking shooting at me, you cat. I'll fucking show you what I've fucking made off you, cat. Oh. Didn't listen.
Imagine doing this without beer and smokes.
Unimaginable. Can't be done. Can't be imagined. Little fucking mosquito. If you land on my hand, you're fucking dead, alright? You fucking try it, mate. You fucking did, you. I think I got it. There's not that many rhino beetles. They're not particularly active, though. That one that landed there about an hour ago is still there. He's just fucking standing there. Like, why haven't you come over and fucking fucked me yet? Fucking hell, mate. I've been waiting here for fucking ages.
unspectacular_Dracula said,
Ants get everywhere. No place left unexplored.
And the other one that's up the tree is like, fucking hell, mate. I've been with fucking ages too. Why don't you fucking come to me? You want to fucking get laid? Then you fucking come to me, you little bastard. And then the one at the base of the tree is like, fucking hell, I flew all the way here, mate. Fucking you come down here. It's downhill anyway, it's fucking easy, mate. These are the rhino beetles talking. Oh, he's on the move. As I was talking about him, he's on the move now. Very slowly. Another big, horrible centipede scuttled across the tree. Oh, you fucking centipede cunt, mate. You fucking get fucked. I'm not here for you. I'm here for there. Up there. I'm fucking here for there, mate.
unspectacular_Dracula said,
Shit shouldn't have encouraged him.
You fucking centipede cunt. You get the fuck out of here, mate. I'm here for there. I'm fucking here for there, mate. Well, if you're just gonna fucking sit there, then maybe I'll fucking go and find another one. There's plenty more fucking rhino beetles in the sea, mate. So, I might just fucking go find a real fucking sexy one with a better ass. Let me show you what we got here. So we got this fucking, gotta watch out for fucking venomous centipedes. We got this fucking lassie up here. And then we got this guy down here. And he's like, oh fucking hell, alright, if I have to, I'm on my way. But I'm gonna have a fucking rest, alright. And then, there's another big one. Oh, you can't, can you see that? Can you see that shadow on the side of the tree there? That's another big one there. He's fucking huge, mate. He's fucking massive. And he's like, oh fucking hell, mate, I'm not going up there. You fucking go and get it. I don't give a shit, mate. Look at him though. And he's like, fucking hell, I'm gonna go all the way fucking up there. Can't be fucked. I'm gonna have a rest. And he's having a rest.
And she's like, oh, fucking hell, this then, I don't give a shit. And this cockroach in the middle is just fucking, like, this is entertaining. I'm like a fucking fly on the wall here. And then he's like, oh, fuck this, I'm having a rest, I can't give a shit. Sex isn't worth it. It's not worth all this, climbing up a tree and that. And then, and that's about it. That's the whole story, really. I'll tell you if he moves. He might change his mind. I would very much like to document rhino beetle sex on stream. That might be a first. But if he doesn't get a fucking move on, I'm going to bed. They're big fuckers now. I'll stop speaking Scouse now.
Juice violation for sure.
For what? Beetle sex? Beetle sex hasn't happened yet anyway, they're only thinking about it. He's sitting there considering it, if it's worth the effort. So there's no TOS. Oh! Jesus fucking Christ, what scared
Kiki
the shit out of me?
Meowme said,
He fly.
Yeah, the big one just dropped off the tree. And he was like, fuck this, mate. I'm not fucking hanging about for this. I'm fucking out of here, mate. And he dropped off the tree. And now he's like fucking walking around and that. And he's like, I'm fucking out of here, mate. This bird, she's not putting out. So I'm fucking going off. I'm going to look for another one. It's not worth it. And now he's fucking looking around like, where can I find another one? He's having a look around. I think he's having a sniff. Oh my god. Oh. Do you see it? He's having a fly. He's having a fly around. Oh fucking hell, mate, don't fucking come over here, mate. I'll fucking swat you. Alright, well, maybe he's changed his mind, because now he's like fucking, alright, I'll just check you out first. Let's just have a fucking look at that ass first, because I don't want to be missing out. Because he's the big boy in town, you see. And I think he's fucking on his way. He's about to fucking check her out. And, you know, he might be fucking impressed because she's a fucking sexy rhino beetle. You know, she's a fucking looker. Nah. So, and this fucking lazy cunt down the base of the tree there, he's just fucking sitting there. It's like, fucking hell, it's not worth it. It's not fucking worth it, mate. But the other one actually put some fucking effort in. He's had a fly up the tree.
Is he dying?
He was dying. Me? I'm not fucking dying. I'm narrating.
He talking to bug pleading face.
I'm not talking to the bugs. I'm narrating for the bugs. I'm like a fucking Scouse David Attenborough.
I'd be surprised if he's not hospitalized by Sunday.
Anyway, so he's fucking up there now. He's just fucking landed and he's just around the corner and he's thinking, fucking hell, I'll just check it out before I go because I don't want to be fucking missing out on a good lay. So, but he hasn't seen her properly yet because he's just around the corner, you see. So he can't fucking see her yet. Do you want to have a look? So,
Unspectacular_Dracula said,
I think he might have gone into shock.
so she's there. She's fucking there, mate. And he's just fucking around that corner. He's not fucking checking her out yet.
Unspectacular_Dracula said,
There's the other
Either that
fucking-
or the encephalitis is kicking in.
He's the lazy like fucking, oh, I can't be fucking arsed with this, mate. He's just fucking, like, it's not worth it. And she's just fucking sitting there like, he's gonna fucking come and give me a fucking bang. And no one's coming. No one's fucking coming. But he's there. He's around the corner, the big boy. That's nothing to be worried about there. That's a fucking cockroach. Fucking pieces of shit they are. In the beetle family anyway. That other rhino beetle's fucked off now. It's not fucking worth it, mate. Oh, they're fucking together now, mate. Fucking, look, they're going for it. Go on, mate, you fucking got this. Go on, mate. Oh, she's having second thoughts. Don't be shy, mate. Fucking get in there. You got a massive horn. Oh, she's a bit shy, and he's a bit shy too. Fucking turn around, mate. You got it. Go on, you can fucking do this. He's going to have a look. Go on. Oh, they fucked off. I don't need to be Scouse anymore. I was doing that for the Beetle narration. The Beatles? The fucking Beatles, mate. You see? So, that's why they speak fucking Scouse, you see? Because they're the Beatles. My tent is fucking carpeted with fucking bugs, mate. It's fucking covered in them.
It's making me itchy just watching.
I'll try to have a piss so you can hear it, but you can't fucking see it. Is that a good compromise? No? We'll do that. Oh, fucking hell, I nearly pissed myself getting up, mate.
Mozzie's flying right next to the phone.
Right, well that should give you an idea of what I'm fucking dealing with here then. Good. I'm gonna pop you in the tent for now, because you're a liability. The tent is coated in bugs. I'm gonna bring you in here. Oh, there's a big one. Big one coming in. Fuck off! I don't want you to come in here. Oh fuck, he's already in. You go out. You go out. Out.
That's how I expect him to react to a bear. Get fucked. You can't be in here.
Pop you there like that. Put the chair in. Water. I'm going to brush my teeth, chat. I'll be right back. Right, I brushed my teeth. I need to bring my light in now, though. That's risky. This is really enjoyable. And this is what I came here for. This is what I wanted to do. Oh my god, there's bugs in here too. So I'm going to get my bed out now. No, you can all get fucked. You're all extremely turned on and you would not like to admit it. And I understand why you wouldn't want to admit it. It's a bit smoky now too. Hopefully they'll fuck off, all these bugs. They'll get the fuck out of it soon. Soon enough. We might have to call it a day, chat. Peter's live with Chris, it looks like.
Right, and we filmed this in March 2021.
So about 4 years after that. And it was before the Journey Across Japan 1 for sure.
Right, we're gonna raid Peter. Very well. We will raid Peter.
10-hour stream.
Thank you very much, everyone. I'll see you tomorrow. Ta-ra. Bye-bye.